Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a 1996 Ford Bronco XLT. It's a two-tone blue on white, and this thing drives great. Take a little walk around. It's got the weight on the back half. Show on the passenger side. We do have a little crack here on the dash. We are fixing. Unfortunately, that's pretty standard for these vehicles. Got a gray cloth interior. Go ahead and check out the back real fast. Back window does work, so that's good. Right down like that. Let's go ahead and open this up. Need a little bit of grease on that. And the back comes right down. Sorry, it's a little out of focus here. All right, hop up into the front, see the cluster. Doors are in great shape. Standard cluster here. New radio. But beautiful car. All right, let's check out under the hood, take her for a spin. All right, take this for a quick spin down the road. See how she rolls. The radio does work, so that's a plus. Go ahead, turn that off real quick. Get the AC going. A little toasty in here. All right. AC is nice and cold, and a very nice driving truck. Very, very nice. I actually drove this up to Tampa and back. No problem whatsoever. Very smooth. I like these trucks a lot. They hold their own for the test of time. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and spin around right here. We'll go ahead and throw her up on the lift, check out underneath. All right, got the Bronco up here on the lift. Let's see how nice she is underneath. Everything is in great condition on this car. Very, very well kept. As you can see from driving it, sounds great, feels great. Let's go ahead and swing around real fast. Get it from the back end. Just a great ride. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. Love to hear from you guys. If you're interested in the vehicle, we could do a live FaceTime walk around, show you everything that you'd want to see. Yeah, give us a call, shoot us an email, and thanks for stopping by.